Hi, welcome to Dway Studios. Okay, I'm going to show you how to set the functions of the Gangnam style ringtone app and how to use it. Okay, so just going to show you the default settings for my ringtone. Okay, as you can see, my ringtone is number 1. That's my message notification. Okay, so to set one of the sounds to the ringtone, okay, just long press, okay, and set as ringtone. Okay, one more time, long press, set as ringtone. Okay, or you can even set it as a notification sound. So maybe intro loop, set as ringtone, bridge, put it as set as notification sound. Alright, so you will see from my setting under the sound. Okay, as you can see, phone ringtone is intro loop. Okay, default notification is bridge. So yeah, that's about it. In setting the ringtone as the Gangnam soundbite as ringtone. Okay, now some of you might want to set a contact as a ringtone. So that's easy. Okay, first of all, you will need to set the sound as a ringtone first. So right now I have intro loop. Okay, just go to my contact. Okay, under ringtones you should have the intro loop here. Alright, say it's okay. Alright, you be intro loop, and you go back to the settings. To set it as your default settings. Sorry, default ringtone. So there. Okay, so as you can see, my phone ringtone and my contact ringtone. Okay, so that's for setting the ringtone to your phone. So of course, other functions, you have the lyrics and the player. So you can sing along to the song. Of course, you need to
Gangnam Style.
state yourself.
Gangnam Style.
Right. And of course, there are other like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Yep. So that's about it. Have fun. Okay, hope you enjoy the app.